Hello, today we will guide you through how to round image corners in Squarespace. Rounding your image corners is a quick way to soften your design and give your site a modern, friendly look. Let's walk through the exact path to make that change on a specific image using the built-in editor so you can see results immediately. First, sign into your Squarespace account and open your site's dashboard. From the main navigation, choose Website to work on your site's content rather than Store or Settings areas. This takes you to the content side of your site where pages and sections live. Next, open the Pages panel. Here you'll see your site's page list. Choose the page that contains the image you want to modify. If you're following along with a test page, it might be called something like Sample Page, but any page will do as long as it has the image you want to adjust. With the page open, enter editing mode by clicking Edit. This switches the page into a state where you can interact with individual blocks and sections. Now click the picture you want to update. You should see the image block toolbar or an overlay appear, confirming you're targeting that specific element. If you have multiple images, repeat this on the exact one whose corners you plan to round. In the image controls, choose Edit to open the full image block editor. This is where layout, design, and content options are grouped. Once inside, switch to the Design tab. This tab holds visual styling options for the image, and that's where the corner controls are located in most templates. Look for the setting labeled Corner Radius or Corners. Enter a value to change how rounded the corners appear. Lower numbers create a subtle curve. Higher numbers produce a more pronounced, pill-like shape. As you type or adjust, you'll see a live preview on the page, which makes it easy to dial in a look that matches your brand. For a gentle, modern feel, try a small value. For badges or avatar-style images, a larger value can create a strong, rounded effect. If your image is a perfect square, very high values can approach a circular look. A few tips as you adjust. Keep rounding consistent across similar images to maintain a cohesive visual rhythm. Remember that certain image layouts or template styles may influence how corners render, and watch how captions, borders, or shadows interact with the new shape so everything feels intentional. Your changes preview immediately, so take a moment to confirm the image still crops and frames your subject well at different sizes. That's it. Your image now has rounded corners using Squarespace's built-in design controls.